Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. How about you?
Oh, I've been to the Philippines before. What part of the Philippines are you in?
I'm in the center of the Philippines.
Okay, I've been to Cebu. Do you know where that's at? Cebu?
Yes, I know Cebu because my province and the place of Cebu is we are very, it's not a far away. It's a very neighbor place.
That's way cool. So yeah, I went to Cebu. I spent a week there. Um, and then after that, I went to the Apulet Islands. Have you heard of the Apulet Islands?
What islands?
It's called Apulet. It's like
I never been
Apulit.
before.
Yeah, beautiful place, very beautiful. But the people in the Philippines are the nicest people I've met in the entire world. Like you guys are just
Oh,
really good
really?
people.
Very
Yeah.
nice. I'm very security that someone you will go to the other place. But me, I'm related here in the Philippines, but I cannot travel to other country. I'm very insecurity.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what,
Yeah.
you don't need to go anywhere. Philippines is beautiful, so you're in a good spot.
Yes, because it's very hard to me. I can go to the other place with using my Spartan. What is that? Flappy Bird?
No, my son, he left this here the other day on Easter, and I
Ah, you
forgot.
have son. So
I
why
have
your son is left? It's not
I have
right.
I have three kids. So they live with my baby mama. I get to see them on the weekends, and then every day I go over there for 1 hour to see them.
Ah, why? Because we are
Uh,
separated relationship?
yeah, so I'm divorced. I divorced their mom, so we're no longer
Ah,
together.
you're divorced, so your relations, we are time out, we are traveling, so that's why divorce. Oh my God, it's very hard.
Yeah, no, it's okay though. It worked out for the best.
Okay,
Maybe I
it's
need to
all.
move to the Philippines and get me a nice Filipino girl.
Yes, I will find, but the Filipino girl in the Philippines, I think, is fully booked right now. I will check the company if we have a Filipino girl because right now it's fully booked.
Okay, there you go. Like I said,
Yeah.
the people I met when I was there, they were so nice.
Yeah, so, but are you happy? You are happy to be a single right now?
I am. I do like being single. I've been married and divorced twice, and so I really don't want to get married again. But if I met a really nice person, then I probably would one more time. After that, not anymore. Guys, we need three more roses.
Yeah,
What?
if you come here in the Philippines, tell me because no available girls right now is out of stock. I'm here, my mother is available.
Yeah.
But I think you don't like because it's my mother is very senior citizen is not enough. So so what you doing in life? You're traveling. How many you're traveling?
Well, so I went to the Philippines way back in, it would have been 2016. I worked for an alarm company, and if you sold over 100 alarms that year, you got to go on a vacation. And so the first part, that first week, we helped rebuild a school in Cebu. So it was like half charity and then half vacation. So after we rebuilt the school, then we went to a resort on the Apulet Island. So that was a long time ago. I haven't traveled very much lately. I work for a diabetic technology company, and I basically just work a lot, stream, and work out and hang out with my kids. So I don't even have the time to travel anymore.
Oh, really? Kala nyo may naintindihan ako, ah. My nose is very nose bleeding. I don't understand.
Did you say you get bloody noses a lot?
What?
What did you say about your nose bleeding?
No, yes, my nose bleeding is ano, we have a long distance.
Oh, okay. Speaking of food, um, So when I did live in Vancouver, Canada for a while, and when I was there, I had some Filipino friends, and they made me eat balut. Do you like balut?
Yes, balot. You know, I like balot. Yes, we have inside the shell, we have
Hmm.
Angry Birds. You eat, oh my God, and you put
Salt.
vinegar, and we have you put salt. Yes, and open your mouth, and you know we have a water inside the balot.
Hmm.
You can shallow like that, shallow. I like
Yeah.
that.
So do you have kids?
No, I don't have kids because you know I'm not a really woman.
Mm.
Yes. If you know if you organize ba
Hmm.
yun? If you organize here in the Philippines is we have LGBT, you know LGBT. If you
I
are
do.
organized, I'm gay. Uh organized ba yun?
I,
Yung
I
parang
need I need to introduce you to my
malalaman mo.
friends. I have a really good friend on here who's a part of that community. Her name is Jessica. She's actually transgender and she's the sweetest person you'll ever meet. So I need to introduce you to her one of these times.
Yes, you know my gender is lady boy. My gender is double-sided.
Yeah, good for
Yes.
you. Like I said, I support everybody. You know, if it makes them happy, then it makes me happy. You know what I mean? I feel like
Yeah.
some people are too judgmental about certain things.
Yes. You know, I have a lot of meet here in TikTok T. I have a meet of guy. He not accept my gender. He are he destroyed my heartbeat, and he said it's very hard to me. Po, inang pinto na yung bukas ng bukas. Wait there ha, because I need to close the gate.
Oh.
Yes, my dear, exactly. Because you know, we have many people. He judge you when you see up your, when he see your first personality, your personality, your quality. He judge you. He think you, but he not knowing your background and your props, and you are you he.
I know what you're saying. They don't understand like who you are as a person. Yeah.
Yes,
People
yes.
keep telling me over
Sorry,
here.
my dear, because you know my English is not consumable.
No, it's very good. I'm very impressed. That's one thing I noticed about the Philippines, you know, because I feel like here in the States, it's a pretty wealthy country and people are always buying toys and all these things that they don't need. And our levels of depression or people being sad are very high here. Whereas when I went to the Philippines, you know, there wasn't as much money there and people, they had their necessities and they had their family. And overall, people just seemed happier. And you know, that tells me that you guys have your priorities straight. Like you know what makes you happy, which is just being a good person and hanging out with your family. So I really like that. You guys made a huge impression on me.
Oh, kalma.
Hey, there they go. They
Bilang
come
kong
back.
tatlo,
Yes.
nakatago na kayo, kalma.
Andy P, Heather, Kim, Sissy.